Akbar, subhanallah. Why? This is the way things will be happening. And whenever any one of you fall and falter, turn back to Allah. So you and I were created human. That's why we have desires. That's why we have inclination sometimes towards something that might not be pleasing to Allah. Allah says, when you are inclined towards something not pleasing to me and you held yourself back, I will reward you for the mere fact that the only reason why you held yourself back was because of me. That's a sign of your connection with Allah. It is reported that when alcohol was prohibited, the Sahaba radiallahu anhum threw away whatever they had. Why? The love of Allah. The same alcohol that they were buying and selling and consuming and whatever else was happening, within a split second, they did not like it anymore. It was over. Would you like to enter into the mercy of Allah, into the circle known as the friends of Allah? Then whenever there is something haram, drop it split second for the sake of Allah. See what Allah does for you in the future. In this world, you will lead a more content life, and in the akhirah, it is eternal bliss. Whoever leaves something for Allah, Allah raises his status. Allah will grant him even more. May Allah Almighty grant us ease. So shaitan's plan is such that he will come, he will make us do all sorts of things. And as a result, we as human beings will probably falter. In fact, there is a hadith that says, all human beings, all the children of Adam, they make mistakes often.